I was born with something called ectodermal dysplasia, so it affects my hair and my nails, and I've had it most of my life. When I turned about 35, I started noticing my hair was thinner and thinner. Of course, women don't like that. So once I hit a certain age, I just said, you know, this is something I want to look into, and I want to do this for myself. And I ended up coming here, and we talked about my options, and she kind of set me up with what I have now, and I've been really happy with it. The first time I came, she walked me through what my different options were. She looked at my hair follicles, and she looked at everything that was going on with my scalp, you know, and my hair growth and what my issues were with hair growth. And she just talked to me about what my options were, and she was very good about explaining everything. We went over different things and what they would cost, you know, what was in my budget and what wasn't, and what I was willing to do. You know, some people, if you've had hair loss, you get to a point where you don't want the snake oil and different things like that. So we talked about what was realistic and what was going to give me results. And my confidence is boosted, and that's important. You know, that's really all I wanted. I wasn't expecting it to change my life. I don't even really care what other people think about how I look. It's more about how I felt, and it makes me feel more comfortable. What's kind of nice is anytime I have questions, I'm really new to this. So anytime I have questions, that's why I went with this option, because I feel like I have all these people here. When I'm curious, well, what do I do in this situation? Or how do I take care of this? Or what do I need to do if it's, you know, getting frizzy, or that they have all the answers for me. But I feel like they lay out all the options. You go into, I don't know if you've ever been, you probably haven't been into a wig store. I have. They don't answer any of your questions. A lot of the time, they don't even want to tell you prices or get things down off of a shelf for you. When you come here, you get a personalized experience where all your questions get answered. It's customized to you and your needs and what your comfort level is. And you just don't find that everywhere. So it's honestly very, I don't know that there's anywhere else that I could find where they had those options for me. And when you're new to this, going to those other places, you really kind of feel frustrated because you're trying to do something to make your hair better, but you can't get any answers from anyone. And a lot of the time people, they expect you to know all this stuff when you've never dealt with it before. So you really need someone to walk you through that stuff. And here you get that.